Hello dear children, welcome to my channel English Crossroad. Today in this video, we will be seeing the summary of the lesson My Brother's Great Invention. This is a lesson from Unit 3 Invention and Discoveries of Class 7 Poorvi NCERT textbook. So let's see what is the summary of the lesson. The story is narrated. That is the story, My Brother's Great Invention. It is narrated by Anita, who is a 14-year-old girl. Her younger brother Anand is fond of inventing things, though his inventions usually end in disaster. So the brother is Anand, who is younger than Anita, and he is fond of inventing new inventions. And mostly his invention ends in disaster. That means it is not successful. Once, after hearing about thefts in their colony, Anand built a burglar alarm. So he had heard about the thefts in their colony. So he tried to invent a alarm which will catch the thief. But instead of catching a thief, it soaked their father, leaving him angry. Soaked their father means he has made the alarm and he has fitted it above the front door. And as soon as the father opened the door, what happened? This alarm was heard and the water which he has put up, it fell on the father and he was soaked in water. And father will be angry. Later, after watching the film Back to the Future, so this is a name of a movie, Back to the Future, Anand decided to invent a time machine. So after watching the movie, what did he decide? He decided to make a time machine. For weeks, he worked secretly with wires, levers, and bulbs until finally the machine was ready. So, for about 2 weeks, he was working with the different objects, and then finally, the machine was ready. Their father, however, strictly forbade him from using it. Forbade means what? He strictly said that he will not allow to use his time machine. Soon after, when their parents left for a wedding, Anida and Anand were alone at home. So, father said that he will not be able to use it. But one day, father and mother went for a wedding ceremony. That night, a thief named Boppa, who worked as a sweeper in the colony, broke into the house. So, that night, when this father and mother went for the wedding ceremony, what happened? There was a sweeper in the colony. His name was Boppa. And since he was the sweeper of that colony, he was knowing what is happening in the building, in each houses. So he entered their house. Anand cleverly directed him into his room where the time machine was kept. Anand was a clever boy. So what did he do? He made Boppa enter his room. Suddenly strange sounds, crashes and screams came from the room. As soon as Boppa entered his room, all these things happened. Strange sounds were coming, some crashes were there happening, screams were coming. So all this came from Anand's room. When the neighbors rushed in, the thief had completely disappeared. By hearing this voice, what happened? The neighbors, they rushed to their house. That is Anand's and Anita's house. And they could not see the thief. Only his green scarf remained there. That was in the hall. Boppa was never seen again. Anand was convinced that his time machine had worked and sent the thief into another time. And since Boppa was not there, he believed that his machine has worked. And now the Boppa is gone in the past. Papa dismantled the machine for safety, but perhaps he too had a suspicion that it might have really worked. So when this incident, the father came to know about it, he dismantled, that means destroyed the machine because he wanted safety. And he also had a doubt. Suspicion means he also had a doubt whether the machine had worked because nobody has seen the thief again. Unfazed. Unfazed means calm and unaffected. You see, the machine was dismantled by the father, but he was not at all affected. Anand soon started planning his next invention. And you know what is invention? This time he was trying to make a device to talk to the creatures in the outer space. So he's very creative boy. He's not at all disappointed by one failure. He is trying to make new inventions. So in short, the story highlights the curiosity, imagination and creativity of children. Though Anand's invention seems silly, one of them might just have worked, showing how dreams and discoveries begin with experimentation and imagination. We know about many scientists, many discoveries we have studied. All these were started once when they were starting this invention, or maybe laughing at them, maybe joking at them, making fun of them, but later they were successful. So this type of small curiosity and imagination only, later it becomes a new discovery. So I hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any queries, please write in the comment box. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.